Pakistan, a land of diverse landscapes, holds hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the vast deserts of Thar, the country is a mosaic of natural wonders. Yet beyond these well-known landmarks, there are places that remain off the beaten path, waiting to be explored by the curious traveler. Among these is Vehari, a city nestled in the heart of Punjab province. Often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors, Vehari is a hidden gem that offers a unique glimpse into the rural life of Pakistan. The city is surrounded by lush green fields that stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a serene and picturesque landscape. This vibrant city offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. From its bustling markets to its tranquil countryside, Vehari is a place where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. The city's cultural landmarks, including its historic mosques and vibrant bazaars, reflect the rich heritage of the region. Vehari is a place where lush green fields meet the vast expanse of the desert. This unique geographical feature creates a stunning contrast that is both visually striking and ecologically significant. The fertile lands of Vehari are a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of its people, who have transformed this region into an agricultural powerhouse. The city stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. In Vehari, you can see farmers working tirelessly in their fields, children playing in the open spaces, and families enjoying the natural beauty that surrounds them. This harmonious relationship between the people and their environment is a defining characteristic of Vehari. Vehari's significance lies in its agricultural prowess. The region is known for its fertile soil and favorable climate, which make it ideal for farming. The fields of Vehari are filled with a variety of crops, including wheat, sugarcane, and cotton. The hard work and dedication of the local farmers have made Vehari one of the most important agricultural centers in Pakistan. It is a major contributor to Pakistan's economy. The agricultural produce from Vehari not only feeds the local population, but also supports the country's export industry. The bustling markets of Vehari are a hub of economic activity where farmers and traders come together to buy and sell their goods. This vibrant economic scene is a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit of the people of Vehari. The city and its surrounding areas are known as the cotton country due to the large-scale production of cotton, a vital cash crop. The cotton fields of Vehari are a sight to behold, with their white blooms stretching out in all directions. This crop is not only important for the local economy, but also plays a crucial role in the global textile industry. Vehari is a testament to the hard work and resilience of its people. The farmers of Vehari are known for their dedication and perseverance, working tirelessly to ensure that their crops thrive. Their efforts have transformed Vehari into a thriving agricultural hub, and their stories of hard work and determination are an inspiration to all. Vehari is a city where agriculture reigns supreme. The fertile lands of Vehari are a sight to behold. Vast stretches of emerald green fields dominate the landscape. They paint a picture of abundance and prosperity. The region's agricultural richness stems from the fertile soil and the tireless efforts of its farmers. Vehari is renowned for its cotton production. This crop has earned the region the title of cotton country. But Vehari's agricultural repertoire extends far beyond cotton. Wheat, sugarcane, rice, and citrus fruits are also cultivated in abundance. These crops contribute significantly to Pakistan's food security and economy. At the heart of Vehari's agricultural success lies a sophisticated irrigation system. The Sutlej River, a lifeline for the region, flows through Vehari. It brings life-giving water to its thirsty fields. This mighty river, originating in the Himalayas, is a source of sustenance and prosperity. A network of canals originating from the Sutlej River crisscrosses the landscape. These canals ensure a steady supply of water to the fields, even during the dry season. This intricate irrigation system is a testament to the ingenuity of the local people. It highlights their deep understanding of their environment. Vehari's landscape showcases a fascinating contrast. The fertile, cultivated lands gradually give way to the arid expanse of the Thal Desert. This stark transition is a reminder of nature's diversity and the delicate balance that sustains life. The Thal Desert, a vast expanse of sand dunes and scrub vegetation, stands in stark contrast to the lush greenery of Vehari's farmlands. This proximity of two contrasting landscapes makes Vehari a unique geographical location. It offers visitors a chance to witness the full spectrum of nature's artistry. Section 5. Vehari's climate. A tapestry of seasons, Vehari experiences a semi-arid climate characterized by hot summers and mild winters. The city experiences distinct seasons, each painting the landscape in different hues. Summer, the longest season, is hot and dry. Temperatures can soar high, testing the limits of human endurance. The sun blazes down, creating mirages on the horizon and making the air shimmer with heat. Winter provides a welcome respite from the scorching heat. The days are pleasant and sunny, while nights can be chilly. People often gather around bonfires to keep warm, sharing stories and enjoying the crisp night air. Monsoon season brings much-needed rainfall, replenishing the water table and nourishing the thirsty land. The parched earth drinks deeply and the landscape transforms almost overnight. Fields turn lush and green and canals fill with water, bringing life back to the region. Spring, a time of renewal and rebirth, sees the landscape explode in a riot of colors. Flowers bloom in abundance and the air is filled with the scent of fresh blossoms. Farmers take to the fields, planting crops in the fertile soil, hopeful for a bountiful harvest. Autumn, though brief, is a season of transition. Leaves turn golden and fall, creating a carpet of color on the ground. Farmers harvest their crops, bringing in the fruits of their labor. Each season in Vehari has its own unique charm, contributing to the rich tapestry of life in this vibrant region. Section 6. Wildlife of Vehari, a haven for diversity. Despite its semi-arid climate, Vehari is home to a surprising variety of wildlife. The Sutlej River, with its riparian forests and wetlands, provides a haven for numerous species of birds, mammals and reptiles. The grasslands and scrublands of the region are home to the graceful blackbuck, the elusive desert fox and various species of snakes and lizards. Birdwatchers will be delighted to spot a variety of migratory and resident birds, including kingfishers, eagles and owls. Section 7. The cultural tapestry of Vehari. Vehari's cultural heritage is as rich and vibrant as its natural landscape. The city is steeped in history and tradition. The people of Vehari are known for their warm hospitality, their love for music and dance, and their deep-rooted traditions. Local festivals, celebrated with great fervor and enthusiasm, offer a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of Vehari. Traditional crafts passed down through generations showcase the artistic skills and creativity of the local artisans. The city's historical monuments stand as silent witnesses to its glorious past. Section 8. Exploring Vehari key attractions. Vehari, with its blend of natural beauty and cultural richness, offers a unique experience for visitors. The Sutlej River, with its serene beauty, is a great place for boating and fishing. The Thal Desert, a short drive away, provides opportunities for adventure seekers to experience the thrill of dune bashing and camping. The vast farmlands, stretching as far as the eye can see, offer a glimpse into the agricultural heartland of Pakistan. Historical monuments, scattered across the city and its surrounding areas, provide insights into the region's rich past. Section 9. Vehari, where nature meets culture. Vehari, a hidden gem in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, is a city that seamlessly blends natural beauty with cultural richness. This city, often overlooked by travelers, holds a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. From its fertile fields, which are the backbone of its agricultural economy, to the vast expanse of the Thal Desert, Vehari's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. The fields are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers, who cultivate a variety of crops that sustain the region and beyond. The life-giving waters of the Sutlej River flow through Vehari, providing not just sustenance but also a serene beauty that captivates all who visit. Along its banks, you can witness traditional cultural festivals that bring the community together in celebration of their rich heritage. These festivals are a vibrant display of music, dance and local crafts, offering a glimpse into the soul of Vehari. Vehari offers a unique and unforgettable experience. The harmonious coexistence of man and nature is evident in every corner of the city. Whether it's the locals celebrating their traditions or the serene natural scenes that surround them, Vehari is a place where you can truly feel the connection between people and their environment. It is a city that has preserved its cultural heritage while embracing progress and development. Historical buildings stand proudly alongside modern developments, creating a unique blend of old and new. Cultural landmarks such as ancient temples and mosques tell the story of Vehari's rich past, while new infrastructure projects point to a bright future. Vehari invites you to discover its hidden treasures and experience the warmth of its people. The friendly locals are always ready to share their stories and traditions with visitors, making you feel right at home. Explore the hidden tourist spots that offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life, or Wander through the local markets where you can find unique handicrafts and delicious local cuisine. Vehari is not just a destination, it's an experience that will leave a lasting impression on your heart.